Bike life, innit, blood?
Bike life.
Right then, folks, morning.
Morning.
We're out again. Out on the bikes this time. Just having a ride out for some breakfast, just Factory Heads Cafe, Donington. So we just go in there, same as usual, but you know, we'll have a chat.
Yes, while the weather's nice. Got our Roy with us.
Roy's with us.
Yay!
Ah, Roy. So I don't know if you've seen our last couple of videos at British Superbikes. I know lots of people are probably look and go, oh, why would I want to watch bike racing on your video? Well, it's mostly, you know, we did a pit garage tour, we went out on the grid for the Superbike race.
Yeah.
Awesome, have a look.
Entertaining.
Entertaining. You know, so let's have a look at that. It was brilliant, absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you once again to everybody involved.
Bucket list ticked.
Yeah, we'll never go out on the grid again of a Superbike race. So thank you once again, CDH Racing. And thank you, Big Joe, for
Big Joe, yeah.
letting us off. For, yeah. For letting us have a wander around your pit garage.
Yeah. And thank you to all of everybody who helped us say, is it going on YouTube?
Yeah.
That was absolutely brilliant.
It was.
And everybody what signed our flag, we're getting more and more now.
The Legends flag.
Yeah, it's up on the wall.
Got loads of famous bike racers and that on there, haven't they?
Oh God, there's loads now, aren't they?
Past and present.
Yeah.
Ron Haslam, Roger Burnett. All the new ones, Kyle Ride.
Yeah. Davey Todd.
Yeah. And yeah, next month we'll be at the Stafford Classic Mechanics Show, as it's called. Classic Bike Show. Planning to go there.
Yeah, I think that date's the 11th, isn't it? The 11th weekend. We're going on the Saturday, aren't we?
Yeah. And Motorcycle Live will be there.
Yeah. Not sure what date yet.
No, we're not. Be in the week.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Happy days.
Still here. We're still not had a chance to go out much. I've been busy at and that again, so.
Yeah. Making fences.
Yeah. Putting a fence up. So. I've not been able to do it while it's raining, so. Got during bike weather.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's say you want here. Now then, straight over here. Not indicating, am I? No.
Right. Oh, pothole there.
I missed them all. About halfway around there and all.
Yeah.
So I've demonetised all my videos on YouTube Fed up with all
You
the
have?
bloody aggro. Yeah, told I've got to get in touch with the tax man and can't be doing with it. And then last night I got an email off YouTube saying that one of my videos from 4 years ago had copyright issues from music that is included in my subscription of the editing software I use.
Yeah, and which you pay for.
No, not happy about that. So they demonetised that video, and all the money would go into whoever owned the video, whoever owned the music. So
Music on it, wasn't it?
I've just thought I can't be arsed with it all.
No.
For like £10 a month, wherever we're getting, £15 a month.
Yeah, it's not worth all the hassle, is it?
I mean, I didn't get a copyright strike out. They did say, oh, it's not a problem, it's not a, you know. It's just that the owner of the copyright will get the money.
Yeah.
I thought, no, you're not.
No, not.
Switch them all off. I know people will say, oh, well, it's better off in your pocket, but
once you've paid for something already to use it, and then you're getting a bloody strike for that.
Well, it's not, I hadn't said a strike, but you know,
Wow.
it's, and that piece of music, I've used it in quite a lot of videos.
Yeah. And this one's
going
going
to start
back
coming back
4 years ago, isn't it?
Yep.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, I can't be arsed with it all. If I monetise it, puts more adverts on and all. And I don't want your videos filled up with adverts, so.
No.
So there you go. Like I say, people will say, oh, it's better off in your pocket.
Just don't need any more stress, do we?
Well, it's not, I'm not stressed out about it, but when you think, if they keep doing it, you know, if there's any more.
Yeah.
I did used to like putting a bit of music on if there were no going off or something, but
Ain't that too?
you know, or if they decide there's a load and I've got bloody shot bits out of videos and mess about, not worth it, mate.
No.
Can't be arsed with it.
No.
So anyway, today's moan out way.
Oh, Ian's changed his tank pad.
I have put a bigger tank pad on.
Yeah.
The hellfire.
Oh, yeah. Done that this morning, haven't you?
Yes, jackets and that were marking the tank.
Yeah.
It
So
was
you
going
bought
dull.
yeah, you bought a new one and it looks very pretty.
Well, I'll show you when I get off.
Yeah. Amazon special.
Yeah, well. Gotham City.
Yeah.
That's where Batman lives.
And Robin.
Yeah,
Live together, don't they?
I don't know. Tractor.
Tractor. Ooh, look at the views.
Yeah. Tractor.
Tractor. Cutting edge. Watch your tyres.
Yeah.
Phones in them.
Yes, we haven't even been to any bike nights or because we've been too busy.
No, we haven't, have we?
No.
And that's it. Now, isn't it? I think they're all finished now.
They're all about bloody done.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow it round. We're at bloody East Midlands Airport just up here.
Yeah. We just haven't had a chance, have we?
Nope. Time you've done whatever you're doing, you're knackered.
Yeah. Our Egon and Sarah came to see us.
They did. They came for the Sunday dinner, didn't they, last week?
Yeah. That was lovely.
Someone coming off the holidays, look.
Oh, wow. Yeah, he's gone off round the back.
Oh, where can we park them? Just here. Off. We have arrived.
We have. We're here.
Well, there's my new tank pad.
Is it still on?
Watch that. Yeah. Oh, some bikes going around.
Oh, yeah. Don't know what that is. Track day, maybe?
That's alright, it's wiped off. Oh, yes, that's on there. How was that, Roy? Better than coming up that great bloody dual carriageway, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Through Donington, through Little Eden, Donington, that way.
Yeah. I get on with this then, Roy, alright?
Mate, yeah. Yeah, spot on. Just what I need.
Plenty of poke, ain't they?
That's it, isn't it? Yeah.
It's like, I think they're very underrated bike.
Yeah, very,
There we are, look. Look at them. Right then, folks, here we are at Factred's Calf. These pair. Lovely job. Lights are outside. We'll have a look. I can't see them from here. Lorry part in the way. There we go. We're here. Just going to have a bite in a minute. A cup of tea. We're going to sit here. We're going to look at some bikes in a bit. See you in a bit. Yeah, I don't know what's happened to that.
No.
Had some sort of reaction to the glue or something.
Yeah.
I've not got it in the bloody middle, have I? Till we get out here. Van coming. Right folks, that was Superbike Factory. We didn't take you around a note, but
No, we've been there for about 3 hours.
we have. Been there for 3 hours talking.
Yeah. chitty chat. Tractor.
Tractor. Oh yeah, might have written it right to Triumph now before the shop.
Yeah. Roy's gone.
Roy's gone home.
Yeah. Got to sort
Babysitting duties.
Yeah, got to sort little lad out.
Right then, folks. Not much of a video today, but better than note in it.
Yeah.
So we're going to say tatty bye from here. So,
tatty bye.
hope to see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Won't be too long, hopefully. So,
No.
we'll see you soon.
See you later, guys.
See you in a bit. Ta-da!
Bye.
Bye now.
So, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.